Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. This video today is going to come as something of a review for many of the viewers to this channel, the longtime subscribers. They may be scratching their head saying, why are you making this video? It's pretty basic stuff. Well, I've had a lot of inquiries, I've had a lot of emails, I've had a lot of folks comment to me that, hey, you talk a lot in depth on some of this stuff, or you talk specific details, but you don't really get into the nitty-gritty, or I should say, you don't really get into the basics. You don't really sort of break down what exactly is a B visa, which is the topic of this video. So, a B visa is a business visa for Thailand. It can be issued for a number of different reasons: doing business here, exploring business options here, undertaking a job here, teaching in Thailand. Pretty much anything that requires work authorization would likely have a B visa as a platform. But basically, employment-based business undertakings, these types of things are generally the underlying reason for issuance of a B visa or a business visa. So, different consulates and different embassies around the world have slightly differing criteria under which they issue B visas, and by criteria I mean the evidentiary criteria, the supporting documentation may shift a little bit from post to post. Here in Thailand, it is possible to extend one's status within the kingdom in B visa status, depending on the circumstances, and you can basically remain in Thailand generally in 1-year intervals for a prolonged period of time in non-immigrant business visa extension status. And please note that this is different than, I should say, there are subcategories of different types of B visas. So, for example, a B visa issued in conjunction with BOI may have sort of different connotations associated with it when compared to a B visa issued in conjunction with just a standard small business here in Thailand. So, things are going to be slightly different depending on the specific purposes of your trip to Thailand, but in order to sort of provide some clarity to folks that have pointed out that some of the basics haven't been covered, I'm hoping this video will go ahead and provide that clarity. A B visa is a business-related visa. It may involve work authorization, it may not, depending on the circumstances of one's case, but strictly speaking, the B visa is issued to those who wish to undertake business here in the Kingdom of Thailand.